Want an easy Halloween makeup look to create? I got you covered today. Let's work on this cat makeup tutorial together. I'm going to start with a matte foundation. This is Cover FX Power Play. And then you want to take a white foundation, concealer, pencil, and you want to follow what I'm doing here to create the cat face. This is going to be highlighted and buff it in. Next, you want a very strong contour under the cheek area because that is going to make the apples of the cheek stand out more when you apply the blush. And then you want to contour a little bit at the forehead as well. Buff it in. Add some highlighter underneath that contour to actually accent it even more. And then set it down with a very strong brightening powder. Go in with contour. For the brows, you want them pointed, so try to bring it up and fill them in nice and full. Then you want a very, very strong winged eyeliner, so bring it up as high as you can and then fill it in. You want to elongate the inner corner of the eye as well, so just follow what I'm doing here and then halfway on the bottom line. Now, get some full lashes, as full as you can get them, and you're going to want to contour your nose and make it very, very strong, connected to the brow as well. Now for the nose, and we're going to do the cat features here, you're going to want to just go to the tip, fill it in, bring down the line to connect to your lips, and then you're going to take a black eyeliner and fill in the top part of your lip. In order to elongate your lip, you're going to go from the outer corner of your lip and just expand it out like I'm doing here. Now I really want you to pack on pink blush. Just do as much as you can. Create the rest of the mouth with the whiskers and the dots. Now take a cool tone highlighter and just apply it in all the areas that I'm applying it because this is going to make the look pop. Apply pink to the bottom lip and you are done. I hope you like this cat makeup tutorial. Follow me for more makeup tips and ideas. See you soon.